My name is Dorothy Carter. I am an assistant professor in the psychology department here at UGA in the Industrial Organizational Psychology program. I'm also the director of the Leadership, Innovation, Networks, and Collaboration Lab, or LINK Lab. Before joining the faculty at UGA, I received my PhD in IO psychology from Georgia Institute of Technology in Atlanta. My research focuses on leadership and teamwork in organizations. I'm particularly interested in situations where big systems comprised of multiple groups or teams need to work together on some sort of shared goal. And those research contexts are particularly interesting to me because some of the most important grand challenges that we're facing as society, so things like disaster response or sending a team of astronauts to deep space destinations or public health contexts, those are all situations where it takes a big system. It takes many people and many groups or teams that are from different backgrounds and areas of expertise, and they all need to kind of work together and find some sort of common ground in order to collaborate and achieve big goals. So what other kind of academics do I collaborate with outside of my field? I think interdisciplinary research is incredibly important. Interdisciplinary partnerships are the things that can produce the most impactful publications and the innovations that can really change society. And as I mentioned, my research is really focused on grand challenge contexts, so things that take a lot of people. And so really the problems that I'm interested in are not specific to psychology. And so actually I do collaborate quite a bit with people outside of my own research area. So things like people from engineering departments, sociology, computer science, communications, and public health. So the LINK Lab has quite a few exciting projects right now. For example, we are leading a grant with NASA to help teams of mission control personnel work with the spaceflight crew that's going to be going on a deep space destination to places like Mars. There's going to be a lot of collaboration and a lot of coordinated behaviors across these long duration exploration missions that are going to be required in order to achieve this goal. And NASA is asking for help and assistance in terms of developing the countermeasure toolkits. So these are interventions that can help facilitate this collaboration. We also have another project that's funded by the National Science Foundation, and that is designed to help senior leaders, so people like the CEO and the top level executives of organizations, collaborate more effectively. We're going into the top management teams and the next level leaders in these organizations, and we're surveying them. We're kind of diagnosing the way that their collaboration is working. And then we have quite a few other projects addressing questions of leadership and teamwork in other situations, for example, in military contexts, in public health situations, and we're also interested in the science of science, so teams of scientists from different areas of expertise working together. How do we make that process more effective? Well, I think what's most exciting about my field of research is that it's so applicable to pretty much everybody's lives. We all have experiences working on teams, and whether that's at the workplace or at home or in a volunteer kind of context. And so helping teams function more effectively is something I'm pretty passionate about, because not only do we all have experiences working on teams, most of us have experiences where teams didn't perform as effectively as they could, or there was some sort of social dynamics that prevented them from achieving their end result. So helping teams actually achieve their potential is something that I think is a worthy outcome. So if you have any other questions about our research, you can visit our website at linklabresearch.org.